like the one who's coming and, buying slimes. So basically that's what we're doing. So now I'm just going to show you some of the slimes until Ava comes back out. So here's a color changing slime. And this one's a color change, not the white one, but the green one's a color changing slime. Here's a glitter glue slime. Here are just some types of slimes. And here's a huge slime. Here are some jiggly slimes. And here's just another glitter glue slime. So these are basically all the slimes. So I'm gonna go check on Ava. So basically those are all the slimes that we're gonna be using in this slime video. So Ava, hurry up.
Okay.
So guys, she's just doing something really quickly. So we're having a sleepover right now. So that's why you probably have never seen me before, because we haven't seen each other in 6 years. But we've been best friends since infants, because our mothers have been friends since 2nd grade. So that's just a background on our friendship. So here's Ava. Oh wait, hold on. No, not ready yet. So she's just getting her stuff on. So she's having her costume, basically. She's wearing regular clothes, but wearing this cool touch to it. So that's basically the video, I guess.
No,
we're gonna do it a few rounds though, but we're gonna have different. She's probably gonna have different costumes. So
yeah, but we're just gonna do this video.
Yeah, we're just gonna do it.
We're not done with it.
Yeah. So okay, so Ava's ready. So now let's just get right onto this video. So where do I start? Okay, so we're just gonna. Hello. Hi. What type of slimes would you like? We have glitter slimes, color changing slimes.
I think I like this one and this one. Let me poke them out and let me see.
Okay.
Let me see them. Let me come in the video.
Okay.
Oh, I see you doing a video.
Yeah.
So
So that one color changes by cold things. So here's some water you can try.
okay. Oh, it makes. Okay, let me just do okay, let me do this real quick. Let me do that. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me do it.
So this is basically our cotton candy butter. And that's our purple color change.
See, does it change colors? Let me go see my directions that I have. Let's see. My directions say
So
that it's this color and then it turns to pink. Let's see. For my resources.
Okay, here's some cold water.
Okay. I'm not doing anything. Let me stick it in the freezer. Be sure you're not lying. Because some people lie. Okay. Yeah, it does color change.
Okay, we're not gonna need ice in that. Okay, so this is.
Wait. What if it is ice slime? That'd be so satisfying. My hair isn't. Wait.
So,
Okay, so it turned purple, and then you just. Somebody's at the door.
Oh, that's okay. I'll go grab it.
So I like this slime, kind of. I think I might buy it.
It was the neighbor.
Yeah.
Etc.
In the other room. Okay, so let me review this one. Ew, what is that one?
It's a color changing slime.
Oh, God. Okay. So
Very nice.
this one's sparkly.
It
I have over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
So,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
what you need in my slime company, I have
13.
13 slimes. And
I gotta put my hair back because it's kind of. So this slime is a butter slime. How I know that is from my details. So you do this, it.
very spreadable.
You should get a knife. Let me see.
Okay, I'll go grab a knife.
She has a lot of stuff here. Thank you. You grabbed the biggest one.
It was the closest. So, I hope you enjoy your purchases.
Okay, let me show you guys. Can you like turn it, hold it, and I'll show you?
Sure. And now, oh, and we forgot to say in the video that we're gonna be taking turns, basically.
Okay, but look. Okay, let's see it do it again.
And it looks kind of gray on camera, but it's actually a really pretty blue color.
Let me see. It kind of looks gray on camera. Now I'm just gonna show you guys some pokes.
It's not the most pokiest because butter slimes aren't the most pokiest, but it wasn't made as a butter slime. It had puffy paint. So
Yeah.
that's pretty cool.
Guys, life hack. Puffy paint will actually make your slime
Butter
good.
slime, like butter slime. I make a butter slime. So, yeah, guys, that's just basically what we're gonna be doing for this round. So now it's my turn. Yeah. So let's get started. So
Okay, so it's now.
snatch your wig. Okay, so we're just gonna.
Okay, so here it's Ava, Lilloy, Lily's Reborn channel. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Say, baby, I love you. Sorry. We have some slimes over here, so. Okay, I'm not ready yet. I have one more slime over here. Okay, sorry guys, it's kind of bad thing. I have to make another slime, which is supposed to be a butter slime, but because guys, if you add puffy paint, it actually will make your slime. I'm not lying on this, guys. You got to make sure it says puffy paint, PUFFY PAINT, and it has to match your slime. So this is what it looks like. Sorry, I'm trying to pull my speaker out. Oh, because I have a speaker right here. That makes... What? Okay. Okay, so she's ready. You can come out. So wanted to kind of color that. Wait, don't come in yet. I'll tell you in a second. Come in! This is the slime factory. This kind of made it. Oh gosh. Okay, she's kind of really, she's pregnant. She has a wig on. And she has a baby, which is standing. So,
my baby's up.
okay, I just wanted to show you something.
I've been having a crave. Go. Okay, so I've been having kind of like a crave for slime, so I'll fill this one. This one's nice. I don't like it that much. So this one maybe. No, let's try this one. What is this slime? It's very weird.
I'll show you. Okay, so it's color changing. It is this pretty. So, wait, excuse me.
Is this a milk slime?
So, okay, look. You get a piece of ice. Let me just get a piece of ice because I've been having to show everybody this. Literally. So you get a piece of ice, you put it on the slime, then you kind of rub it, and it turns that color.
Oh, no. This is milk.
Wait. I'm trying to show them something that you can do with your slime. If you have color changing powder at home, you can buy it
Or
at
paint.
yeah, color changing paint or thing. You can actually get it at Michael's, Amazon Prime. And jealous.
Now,
Okay, so kind of kick me over. Okay, I kind of work here, so.
I kind of am a customer, so you must respect me.
You have
Or
a.
I'll sue you. Sorry. I want to try out this slime.
Hmm?
So, this one.
You can try this one.
Hard. Okay, so this slime's good. I mean, it needs to be like very clicky. So,
Oh, and then we have this one, which is kind of a smell bad slime.
I want this one. I'll show you the slimes I want. So I definitely want this one. It's huge. And I want...
And then we also have the strawberry cutie. It's pretty cute.
I like this one.
Let me let it focus. I actually. Okay. It's not just straws, guys. It's actually a really good slime.
So here's the slimes I'm going to be buying. Here's all the slimes I'm going to be buying.
So you're buying the whole store.
Basically. Yeah. And I want these.
Okay. Well, we'll ring you up.
You see that is $100.
It's $100. You'll see if
Hold
she
on.
can.
Hold on.
Wait,
Let me just...
you'll see if she can pay for it in the next video. Bye, guys.